Vivo Y73 Wi-Fi problem. Hello friends, hope so all of you are doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi connection problem in Vivo Y73. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Wi-Fi problem in Vivo, first of all you just need to open settings and just go to reset Wi-Fi settings. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.